So when you need to replace the carton mold, and then you need to first unlock these 12 screws on the top, and also there are 12 screws on the bottom. So total 24 screws. You first unscrew this, and then you can take out the steel pieces. Here, the steel pieces will drop down, so you can take out the steel pieces, and then you can push a little bit to take out the blue molds, and then you can install for the other sets of molds. And when you install the other set of molds, here is the slot, so that you can apply the new blue molds onto the steel plates. So you fix the new sets of molds on the machine. And after you fix the molds, and you need to adjust the height based on your new carton. So adjust the height, you need to unscrew the six screws here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rods, and there are 2 screws on each rod. You need to unscrew these rods, and then you can adjust the height based on your carton by turning this one. And after you set the height based on the carton, you need to fix these 6 screws again, and to fix the height.